Desam Imphal West District Council members staged protest at Oriental College Gate at Tera against recruitment of pre-primary teachers that violated established rules. Desam members burned effigies of Education Minister, Director and Commissioner in widespread protest. During the protest, Desam members demanded immediate resignation of unfit Education Minister, Director and Commissioner and called for unconditional release of arrested Desam members. Desam Imphal West District Council President Ningthau Khongjam Nobin asserted that recruitment of untrained teachers as pre-primary teacher is most unfortunate for the state's education system. He emphasized that solid foundation at pre-primary stage is crucial for building a robust education system and nurturing competent students. He voiced strong opposition to the recruitment of untrained teachers for pre-primary education. Nobin has also demanded unconditional release of Desam members who were arrested while advocating against improper recruitment practices. He reiterated their call for immediate resignation of unfit Education Minister, Director and Commissioner.
Pali balai ngak suna mathong ngam khang tana yamna napu ta da mong da taning tamang samna ta mong da tren tau da myoi sing oja oina logani haiba se masi khwai dagi mathong cha da thabang ni adu oiba taraga di ten tuye hek loi bagan da doctor tambagi doctor oiba gi training tau drabasu doctor tam drabasu engineer tam drabasu madu oiba hana yahan ga da bane aduga hausi akhoi desam gi phajang gi ba thongmi sing je condition amata yaugna thadok ka dawni athu bada lengak na lan oja sing lobu buna mana pi ni haiba adu duga aran ma tobu yaroi haiba singmuna sairak piba masi karamba masi lengaki asugum thongse agakpa bang thagat le hai tai ta samna asugum mathong mo huktaba tanin tamam sangnataba daita logom thok logdaba matik cha daba education minister commissioner director khudata pham thadokpana hena phagani ana desang maikai dagi desang phal west district maikai dagi thamjari.